Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are talking about a Hailey Bieber makeup hack. Yes, you heard me right. Her and her makeup artist just launched a brand new video. I saw the video and I was like, wow, okay, I've never done that before, but I love the way it looks. So I thought, how about I show you guys with affordable products and we're just gonna test it out and see if it works. So this is it right here. This is how she gets this iconic blush look and this monochromatic lip and eye. I think it's beautiful. It's stunning. It's perfect for the fall winter season, especially winter, because a moisturized blush, a dewy face is what we need for the winter months. So I just want to point this out. So this says before applying the cream or liquid blush, she mixed it with the face cream. So I just wanted to share with you guys, in her video she used a barrier restore cream, and she also used this one right here from Milk Cosmetics. This is the Bionic liquid blush in the color Beyond from Milk Makeup. I thought in this video, how about we do something a little bit more affordable. I'm going to take two products that I think you guys probably have at home, so you guys can follow along with me, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do this, but on a budget. So to start, I'm going to actually take this one right here. This is the moisturizer from The Ordinary called Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA. I love this, and you guys know I've raved about this for like, I don't know, 2 years on my channel. This is one of my favorite go-to, really affordable moisturizers. So we're just going to squeeze like a good, maybe like a pea-sized amount on the palette here. For blush, I'm going to take this one right here. This is called the Morphe Cream Blush. This is the color Sweet Scandal. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of that color out. Now, I'm going to go in with like 50-50. This is actually a lot that I'm showing you guys. You don't need to actually squeeze out this much. Now I'm just going to go in with just a fluffy, dense blush brush to mix this. I'm not going to actually use a palette knife. I'm just going to pick up some of that moisturizer and I'm going to tap into that blush. We're going to mix that up on the palette. If you don't have a mixing palette, don't worry. They are very affordable on Amazon, but you can always do a DIY and use the back of like a Tupperware container. So I'm just mixing this color up. Now I've got some on my brush. I'm just going to tap onto the cheek just like that. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. So I'm just going to just brush this out. Again, there is quite a bit of product on here, so once I have on as much color as I want, so I've got a clean brush right here, and I'm just going to diffuse that with that clean, dry brush. You can see between one side and the other that it just looks very glowy and angelic. That is so beautiful. Now, if you do suffer from dry skin or even oily skin, this is an amazing way to apply your blush and just have it look very dewy and angelic, especially when your skin's a little bit more dry. Now, I do have dry sensitive skin. If you're an OG to the channel, you do know that, but this is just a really beautiful way to apply it. So now that it's, kind of dried down just a little bit with that moisturizer, I'm going to go in with another blush, one in a similar shade. So this one is actually Pale Petal from Makeup by Mario. And I love this color. It's a very similar shade, so I'm actually going to warm this up on the back of my hand before applying it. Just getting a good amount of pigment on the back. Love that. I'm going to go back in with that same blush brush that we were using, so it is dirty. So I'm going to use that again. We're just going to pick up some of this color like that, and I'm just going to apply that right here, just on top. Love that. I think that's so pretty. Now with the dry, clean brush, we're just going to diffuse that. Okay, huge difference, right? So no blush whatsoever, blushed. That looks so damn pretty. I love it so much. A tip I want to share with you guys is that Hailey is known for a good monochromatic look, so she will apply some blush also to her lips and to her lids, and she'll call it done. So in today's look, I thought, why not? How about I do that as well? So I'm just going to pick up some of this blush color on the back of just a lip brush. This one is a MAC 260. Is it? No, 283. I'm going to also pick up some of this blush right here from Makeup by Mario. Again, no liner. I'm just going to place a little bit on my lips to show you guys the look. Now I'm only going to do half, so it might look a little weird. I'm also going to go in with that same blush brush that we were using. This is the one that is wet right now with foundation and moisturizer. I'm just going to pick up whatever's left on the pan, a little bit more that's on my hand. I'm just going to tap this onto the lid. Go in with my finger and just tap that out. You can see how this looks so beautiful, right? It's just giving that really, really pretty vibe. Go in with a clear gloss and a little mascara and liner, and that will finish the look. Alright, so you can see that there is a dramatic difference between this side and this side, right? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it super, super helpful. If you do want a more glowy appearance, I would definitely go in with a liquid highlighter, just a little bit, and again, a very small brush, and just tap it right here. But I feel like this is glowy enough for me. I'm just going to finish off this look and do both sides of the face. But if you guys liked this video and you liked the hack and you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video, which is coming up very, very soon. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!